Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share my travel experiences and tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about traveling by bus, which is a great way to explore different places on a budget. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where I'm trying to upload content every day, or at least that's what I'm trying to do. Also, subscribe to my channel, it's free. I'm not trying to sell anything either, so you are safe here. It's just for fun and a way to share my experience and knowledge to you, so you don't end up spending the amount of money I spend already. Anyway, I actually traveled this way once, and I was impressive on how everything turned out. At that point, my expectations were very low, but I took it just to see how travel by bus feel like. The first thing I did was booked it, and to be honest with you, it just felt like book a plane ticket, with the only difference that the price was below expectation. My trip wasn't very long. I would say probably 4 hours drive if I do the trip with my own car. In the bus, it took a little bit longer, but just because the bus stopped on different location to drop and pick up other passengers, there were no bathroom in the bus, or at least on the one I took. So I had to hold it until the next stop. But other than that, it wasn't that bad. It felt like a plane, but with a view of the cities, not the sky. There are many bus companies that offer trips across the US, Canada, and Mexico, such as Greyhound, Megabus, Flixbus, and more. You can find bus tickets, stations, and schedules on their websites or on platforms like BusBud, CheckMyBus, and Wanderoo. You can also compare prices and amenities to find the best deal for your trip. Some of the most popular destinations that you can reach by bus include New York. New York has the largest bus network in the US with over 5,700 buses and 330 routes. Los Angeles. Well, Los Angeles actually has the world's first and only bus that runs on poop. The BioBus uses biomethane gas from food waste and human sewage to power its engine. Also, you have Chicago, Las Vegas, Orlando, San Francisco, Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, Mexico City, and Cancun. You can also discover smaller towns, national parks, and scenic routes along the way. Depending on the distance and the demand, bus fares can vary from as low as $1 to over $100. Some of the most expensive bus routes in the world are in Malta, the US, and Canada, where you can pay up to $50 per 100 kilometer. However, you can also find cheap deals and discounts if you book in advance, travel during off-peak times, or use loyalty programs. Traveling by bus can be a comfortable and enjoyable experience if you follow some tips and tricks. Here are some of the essentials that you should bring with you on a long bus ride: a travel pillow, a blanket or a shawl, and an eye mask to help you sleep and stay warm. A water bottle, some healthy snacks, and a reusable coffee cup to keep you hydrated and energized. A book, a podcast, an audiobook, or a movie to keep you entertained and pass the time. A pair of headphones, earplugs, and a personal alarm to block out noise and stay safe. A hand sanitizer, some tissues, and a toiletry bag to keep yourself clean and fresh. A comfortable outfit, some layers, and a pair of shoes that are easy to slip on and off. A backpack or a small suitcase that fits in the overhead compartment or under the seat. A ticket, an identification, some cash, and a credit or debit card to avoid any hassle or extra fees. To make your bus travel even smoother, you should also check the travel details the night before, arrive early at the bus station, choose a good seat, take rest breaks, and be friendly with the driver and other passengers. Is it very rare that someone talk about buses as an option for traveling, and I think is a good option to see the world on a budget. To be honest with you, it will probably take longer to arrive in your destination, but at least you would get there. The important here is to create memories, get out, and have fun. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Have you ever traveled by bus? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you in the next video.